need modifications! Modify! Modify! What's that?
What's this here? Coaster. Hey, good timing. No idea what that is. So, charger, handlebar clamp, charge cable, battery, C-post, the controller. Let's install the battery on here real quick. Hold down the button on the dropper until the light blinks. Release. Hold down the button on the controller until the light comes on and blinks. Release. And push the button on the dropper once. That should do it. Done. Friction paste, torque wrench to tighten everything down at the end, T25 Torx tool, and hex or Torx tool to loosen the C-post clamp, depending on the type of C-post screw you have, and something to clean with. We'll apply a little bit of friction paste to the inside of the C-post. Also apply some on the C-post itself. And let's slide it in. For now, we'll just lightly tighten the clamp to keep the C-post in place. Remove the screw that came with the controller. And now we'll install it into the matchmaker using the T25 Torx tool. Just hand tighten it for now. Next, we'll install the saddle. First, we'll need to loosen the saddle clamp bolt with T25 Torx wrench. Need to loosen it enough while holding the other side so it doesn't fall to the floor. Loosen it just enough so you can put the rails through. Adjust the tilt of the saddle by rotating this T25 Torx screw here. You may want to do this while the bike is on the floor leveled so you can get it to desired angle and then tighten. And lastly, let's position everything to your preferred location. The controller, saddle pointing straight ahead, saddle tilt, and post, C-post height. Tighten all the screws. Done. Oh, there's one more thing. Make sure you download the SRAM AXS app and add the dropper and check for firmware updates.